these are my glasses. So I in general find using the viewfinder for extended periods of time to be a pain, and that's why I enjoy having autofocus on my camera. But I also enjoy having old lenses because I think you can really get some good Nikon lenses cheap on eBay, especially used ones. And I was a little bit sad to find that my camera here misses the in-body autofocus motor that sort of drives this little, where is it? Sorry, here, this little thing. It's a screwdriver mechanism, so that when it turns, you can see here that the motor drives that little screwdriver, and that sort of controls the autofocus. So now I have to do it manually. And sorry, as I said, wearing a pair of these in combination with a viewfinder, in my book, that's not optimal. So maybe if you have the same issue, it's a bit of a pain for you to to focus manually. But there actually is help to be found in the viewfinder, so you can do it faster than you would otherwise. And I will show you here in this little video how that is done.
To the left, you have the focus indicator, which is a binary thing. It is green when your subject is in focus, and otherwise it's not visible. Going from left to right follows your shutter speed and aperture, which is not the subject here. So we move on to the focus indicator. And this is really where you get some tools to speed up your work. This one tells you whether you're behind, or your focus is behind or in front of your object. And it does so using arrows that you know from exposure metering, i.e. whether you're over or underexposed. It actually shows it the same way whether your focus is in front of or behind the subject. If you look at this picture here from the Nikon manual, you will see that on the top you have where it is in focus, and that's where you have the little ring and the two dots. And then it draws arrows to the right or to the left, subject to which direction you are out of focus. And that's really helpful in terms of correcting fast your focus so that your picture gets in focus. In this example here, you can see I'm out of focus. Arrows goes to the right. I'm turning the focus ring, and here turns on the focus. The green light goes on to the left, and now I continue to turn, and it gets out of focus again. And I then reverse the turn, and boom, we're in focus.